Hello, friends. Today we need to solve an assignment question which is from IGNOU MCS202 Computer Organization course. So, the course belongs to the BCA program of the IGNOU, that is new BCA program. And this is from MCS 202 course code, and course title is Computer Organization. The question number one we have to deal with today. This asks us to explain the von Neumann architecture with the help of a diagram. Also, explain how the data and instructions are stored in this architecture that we have to answer the question of this assignment. So, the question is explain the von Neumann architecture with the help of a diagram and also explain how the data and instructions are stored in this architecture. Let us first understand what is von Neumann architecture. The concept and origin. The John von Neumann architecture, which was proposed in 1945, is the foundational model for most modern computers where both data and instructions are stored in the same memory space. This architecture is based on its most defining feature, which is the stored program concept. This is the most defining feature of this model, stored program concept, where both instructions and data reside in the same memory. Here, the program, instructions, and data are stored in a single read write memory. Stored in a single read write memory. This is the flux of this question. The execution of the instructions occurs in a sequential manner unless explicitly modified. Means if you don't modify the default execution of instruction, it occurs in a sequential manner. The architecture consists of basic units such as input unit, memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU, and control unit and output unit. These units are explained in detail here as under. Memory unit, it stores program instructions, machine code, and data values. Or memory unit is organized as a sequence of addressable locations, and each location holds binary information. The second is central processing unit, that is CPU. Again, this consists of three parts. The first is control unit, the second is ALU, that is arithmetic logical unit, and third is registers. The control unit directs all operations of the computer, fetches instructions from memory, decodes instructions, and sends control signals to ALU and memory. The second ALU, arithmetic logic unit, it performs arithmetic operations such as addition and subtraction, and logical operations such as AND or NOT. The third part of this CPU is registers, which are small high speed storage inside CPU. Examples are program counter, that is PC. It holds address of the next instruction, and instruction register, that is IR. It holds current instruction. The third is input unit. It accepts data instructions from external devices, converts them into binary form. Again, next is output unit. It converts processed data into human readable form. How this architecture works? It works on the principle of fetch, decode, and execute cycle. The CPU follows the fetch, decode, execute cycle. The fetch component is PC sends address to memory. Instruction is paged into IR, that is input register, instruction register. Sorry. The second is decode. Interprets instruction. The third phase is execute. ALU performs operation, result stored back in memory register. How data and instructions are stored? Both stored in the same memory space. represented in a binary format. Instructions are executed sequentially, and it uses a single data bus. And also we are asked to draw a diagram. The von Neumann basic structure works like this, looks like this. From here, it gets input. This input goes to the ALU unit. From there, it goes to memory, then control unit. Again, it gets redirected to memory, then in ALU. Also, ALU sends direct data to control unit, and control unit sends it back to ALU. So this part is accumulator, and this is the processor part. And again, we get from ALU, we get output as our result. So this is the basic structure of von Neumann architecture. Applications of this architecture we can get. Von Neumann architecture is used in personal computers and PCs and laptops, Intel AMD processors, smartphones and tablets such as ARM based processors, embedded systems such as microcontrollers in cars, IoT devices, servers and gaming consoles, that is shared memory systems for large scale processing. Limitation also are there attached with this von Neumann architecture. This limitation is called von Neumann bottleneck. The limitation is it uses same bus for data transfer and instruction transfer, means input and output travels through the same route, that may lead to slower performance. This is the limitation of this architecture. So, in summary, we can say that in simple terms, the von Neumann architecture is a flexible and cost effective design where a single memory stores both programs and data, and the CPU sequentially fetches and executes instructions. This model underpins most modern computing systems, from small embedded devices to the powerful servers. So this is how you can write your answer for this assignment question. The question again, you may see on your screen that we have to explain the von Neumann architecture with the help of a diagram, and also how the data and instructions are stored in this architecture. So you can use this video for better answer writing of your assignments, not only for answer writing in assignments but also for the preparation of exams, as we have tried to cover each and every element related with this topic, von Neumann architecture. You may see this with your experience. You can say that it is the most comprehensive answer on this question. So this will be very helpful for your assignment writing and also for preparation of the exams. Not only you, but I would suggest that you should share this video with all your friends, colleagues, and buddies, so that they can also get benefit and take advantage of this uh, comprehensive style of writing answers for assignments and also for exams. Do share, do comment your feedback in the comment section. Also, if you want some other questions to be solved for you, please do write in the comment section so that we can prepare very content rich videos for that also, so that you can not only get good marks in your assignments but also very good performance in your exam, in your term and examination, followed by these assignment submission dates. So please do share your feedback, do share your comments. Also subscribe to our channel for continuous learning. Thank you very much. Have a good day, have a great day. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.